feeling overwhelmed, stuck, and just fed up with that 9 to 5 grind? Do you want that time back that you so want and dream of with your family? I have got the answer for you. In this video, I'm going to share with you exactly how you can break free from that 9 to 5 grind and finally start living that life that you deserve. Stay with me until the end because I'm going to give you a free gift from me. I've been in your shoes, sick and tired of life, sick and tired of the day to day. I used to wake up, go to work. I used to wake up, it was dark, and come back from work, and it was dark. I got back from, there was just no structure to my day. I was just about getting by. I thought, what is this life? Honestly, guys, there's more to life out there than just being a slave, trading time for money, but just about getting by. I can help you break free, get that financial freedom back, get that time back, and get that family time back that you so need. You see, I started with zero experience, zero tech skills, and nothing to do with digital marketing or social media. But with the right support and system, my whole life done a U-turn, and I'm now back to my happy self, living my best life. And guys, I'm not just saying it. Yeah, I'm happy and stuff, but I want to help you guys too. Let's do this together. I will be with you every step of the way. Let's create a nice little community and let's go, guys. Drop a comment saying, I want freedom below, and I will send you over a free guide to change your life today. Are you tired of missing out them very important moments with your children? Now, I've got the answer for you. Digital marketing will give you not only your time back, your freedom back, but also your financial freedom back. By working just 2 hours a day, you can transform your life, guys. Honestly, transform your life. Does living paycheck to paycheck feel like a never-ending cycle? You see, with this system, it allows you to work just 2 hours a day and gain passive income all the time, daily pay, without having to work all of them hours and trading your time for money. Now, guys, you will have to learn some new skills and follow a step-by-step guide and structure that 2-hour workday. So, guys, if you're one of them people that's just a couch potato and don't like to do anything and don't like to go out to work or learn anything new or even want a better life for yourself, this video is not for you. But, guys, if you have them 2 hours a day and you want better life for you and your family, then this video is for you. Now, are you scared because you don't have no tech skills? You don't need any tech skills because all of the tech, the website, the email, etc., sort of, confusing stuff, that's already set up for you. Guys, that's already set up for you. So you don't need no tech skills. So please stop telling yourself that you don't have the right experience or the right tech skills because you don't need it. I didn't have it. And here I am. Here I am, guys. And I'm here. I'm here to hold your hand and be there with you. No more stress. Does the stress of juggling your life, job, laundry, chores, bills, kids, appointments, does that all just get on top of you? And does it make you feel burnt out? That's why this program is for you. Digital marketing is literally changing the whole world. Everything's online. Everyone buys online. The whole industry is growing. We have over 5.9 billion people on the internet, and we can sell worldwide too, guys. Like, this is $1 billion industry. I don't want to confuse your minds right now, but I'm just trying to make you see that there just isn't no excuses. You have this. Let's go get it. Because this program helps you balance life, your mental state, your happiness. It helps you balance it all out in one. Time, freedom, everything that I've already mentioned, it balances it out because you're only working 2 hours a day. If you're ready to stop worrying about time, money, and freedom, then this system is for you. We get weekly live Zoom calls. We get a whole community that we can plug into daily. We get all the learning. We get everything done for us. You're never alone. Click the link in the description to get all the information that you need. Are you feeling depressed at the moment? Because depression is everywhere. I had postnatal depression and it wasn't nice. And do you know where it all stems from? It stems from that the world that we live in is just so compact. Everyone tells you what you should and shouldn't be doing. You can't do this, you can't do that. You have to live up to all of these standards on social medias and live up to all these standards. Guys, it's not all about that life. Let's take a step back and balance out that mental state that you're in because you don't need to feel overwhelmed. You don't need to feel depressed. Guys, I was always one of them people that was constantly cleaning and tidying every day. Don't get me wrong, I've got all the time in the world now, but you know what? I don't really care anymore because my happiness is back. I'm not worried about all them little things anymore. I'm worrying about making memories and being happy and just going out and feeling free. So if you want to feel like that, guys, and stop that stress and that overwhelmed feeling and all of them feelings that you get, All you have to do is just take one little step out of your comfort zone and start to build that future. I mean, guys, people go to college and university for years, and sometimes where do they end up? They end up working in the supermarket. Like, you can learn this system and start earning from like day 7 if you plug in and you're consistent. So why spend so much money on college and university fees and spend so much time doing so for pretty much nothing half the time? Like, with this one-time purchase, you can change your life. Everything's there for you. Everything is literally in front of you. Like our mentor says, like, we've got everything there for you, but if you don't plug in and you're not consistent and you've got all these mind blocks, then where are you going to get? And that's where the mindset calls come in. We've got a few mindset calls in the community that really help you with your mindset to get past them bumps that you constantly get in your head. Where's the excuses? Let's go. Now, I want to give you a gift from me to you. Drop down into the comments and put gift, and I will send you over a free blueprint gift from me to you so you can get started today. Now, guys, that does not cost you anything. Do it for yourself. I'll be there at the other end.